Welcome all. So today in this video we will learn about POP algorithm for POP operation in stack. So POP means if we want to delete any element from stack, then it is known as POP operation in stack. So let us understand. So as we know, a stack is a last in first out data structure. So which element entered into stack last will be always deleted first. Okay, so whichever element is on top of the stack will be deleted first. Okay, so in this case we are considering size of stack, okay, is equal to n, we are denoting, and in this case we are considering 4. Okay, and we will use a top pointer, okay, to manage the index and other thing in POP operation for stack. In this case also we are considering that it is filled with 2 elements, so 0 and 1 element is filled and remaining is free. So top pointer is indicating at index 1 at this moment. Okay, so now let us start for step 1. Okay, so size is n is equal to 4. So let me initially write size is equal to n and considering 4. Okay, and for programming purpose or recursion purpose, I am denoting a POP function. Okay, and in that we need 2 element, that is one is s, that indicating stack, and top pointer that will manage the index value. So in step 1, okay, so consider a case in which our stack is empty or not any element in stack. So we cannot delete any element because the stack is empty. So first we need to check whether our stack is having any element or not. So we need to check for underflow. So if it does not contain any element, it will cannot perform delete operation. So here I am writing check for underflow. Okay, so for that we need to check if our top pointer is less than 0. Keep in mind, so if it is on 0, it contains 1 element at least, but it is less than 0, then our stack is empty. So in this way we can check our condition for underflow, that is if top having value less than 0, then print, okay, or you can say write, okay, stack is underflow. Okay, and simply exit from the program or algorithm. So this is our first step. Now in step 2, if our stack is filled with any of the element, okay, so we can perform POP operation. So for that, in this case we are pointing at top pointer pointing to first element. Okay, so this will be this element will be deleted first. So for that we will fetch this element from the stack. Okay, so return element, okay, so which element will be returned? Okay, so s indicating stack, and which pointed by top pointer, and we will store into some variable known as x. So whichever element on the top will be removed from the stack and it will be deleted from the stack. So this is our step 2. Now for step 3, so our element is deleted. So consider this element is removed from the stack, So now our role is to decrement pointer by 1. So now pointer will decrement and by 1, and it will indicating to the element which is the position index on 0. Okay, so here we need to perform decrement top pointer by 1. Okay, so simple. So top is equal to top minus 1. So our task is complete, our operation pop is deleted or performed. So in step 4 we will finish our algorithm and we will exit from the program and algorithm. So hope you will get this algorithm also, and thanks for watching. If any doubt, you can write in our comment box. Thank you.